A few days ago, I was bashing Anthropic for not having a Linux edition of the Claude Desktop application. They were quick to ship for Windows and macOS, but Linux users left out in cold as usual. And like always, the community stepped up and built one for themselves. This one right here, the Claude Desktop Debian application. Another reason for my discontent was this. In an interview when Anthropic CEO was asked how they are managing to ship new models and features so fast, his answer was this.
That we're now using Claude to help, develop our models and, make them more efficient and quickly develop products.
So naturally I was thinking, if that's the secret sauce they have, why not use it to build Claude Code desktop app for Linux too? To my surprise, they recently released the beta for Linux. So let's not waste any more time talking about it and install it in our system and see what we actually get. Now, there is some sort of requirements that we have to keep in mind. It requires Ubuntu 22 or later editions and Debian 12 or later editions. So if you have any of these distributions, you are good to go. Any distributions that is based on these two distributions like Linux Mint, Kali Linux, Elementary OS, or all the other Debian based distributions. For Reddit based systems, it will be released later. So distros like Fedora, Rocky Linux, CentOS, and Reddit, of course. For these distributions, the RPM based package will be released later on. You guys have to wait for it. And the current package is supported for both AMD based and ARM based systems, and you need to have a 64-bit. That's a requirement. Another thing is the virtualization. So by default, it is enabled in most of the systems, and in rare case, it may not be enabled in your system. So you have to go into the BIOS and enable the virtualization, and then you can use this software. So with these all requirements in mind, let's quickly install the software and see. So you have to head on to this documentation page, and here you have all the commands that you have to run. I'll provide the link in the description as well as all these commands so you can quickly copy and paste and execute them. So first we have to import the Anthropic signing key so that we can authenticate the package that we are installing, and this requires curl utility. So if you get the message like curl not found, then you have to install it using this command. Then again run this command so that it can import the signing key. After importing signing key, you have to add the repository into the system for the Claude Code application so that you can download the Claude Code and any future updates. So after adding the repository, you have to update the package index. So run this command sudo apt update and it will update it. Finally, we can install Claude Desktop application. So run this command and hit enter. You see, this is also installing BERT.io FSD. So this package is necessary because it is used by Cowork and probably by Claude Code also, the Claude Code feature in the Claude Code Desktop application for sandboxing particular directories to enforce permissions and isolation. We will come to this later on as well because we have to add the user in the KVM group. So now that we have installed the Claude Code, let me quickly open it up and sign in my account. So here you go folks, this is the application and the little Claude mascot is playing with football. Here are all my chat sessions. This coding section we have already seen, and this Cowork tab which is hidden right now. To enable it, we have to add our current user, which is Linux S2 in my case, to the KVM group. So let me quickly do that. So open the terminal and just type this command. We are basically appending our current user to the KVM group here. If I run the groups, you can see all the groups the current user is part of, and KVM is not listed here because we have just added our current user to the KVM group, and for the KVM to appear here, we have to reboot the system. So let me quickly reboot it and show you again. So I have rebooted my computer. Now if I type the group, you can see my user has been added to the KVM group as well. Let's open Claude and see if Cowork feature is enabled. You can see now I can navigate to it as well. That's done. With Claude, you also get this design feature. You get bunch of these options to choose from depending upon your need. So let me design something quickly. I'm gonna go with this animation option here, and I'm prompting a happy Linux mascot. Let's see how it turns out. This will take some time because it has to do a bunch of things. So let's wait for it. I think it's looking pretty good. The Linux mascot having fun. So there you go, folks. The Claude Code desktop application officially running on my Linux computer. You can install on yours as well. Just follow the guide. My gratitude goes to Anthropic for finally releasing it. And I hope you find it helpful. I'll catch you again in the next one. Till then, tata and bye bye.